Hello, my name is Moises Morillo, and I'm the manager from the project Tackle the Exclusion. What is Tackle the Exclusion? It's an integration project made by a group of students from the Pablo de la Pide University from Seville. To make this possible, we have the support from two very important rugby teams from Seville: El Ciencias Caja Solo la Vide and Las Cocodrilas, which is the female rugby team from the University of Seville. Where are we going to make this possible? The university, UPO, has a rugby field with capacity for a lot of children and technical staff. The field is not in the best state, but we are making pressure to fix the problem as soon as possible. While the natural grass field is repaired, the UPO also has 3 artificial grass fields which can be used to practice rugby. El Ciencias has an agreement with the university, and that's one of the main reasons we choose that university and that team. We choose the UPO also for the proximity to Las 3000 Viviendas, which is one of the neighborhoods we are focused on, and for the facilities they give us with the fields, schedules, etc. Which is our objective? We want to integrate the young boys and girls from the most disadvantaged neighborhood of Seville. We will focus on Los Pajaritos, El Baci, El Polígono Norte, Las 3000, but we are open to all types of kids. We focus on that neighborhood guys. We know it's difficult to leave the streets, and especially in that places. The range of ages we work with is from 6 to 16 years old. We hope to have different teams divided by ages. Here you can see a map of that neighborhoods. What about our technical staff? We have great coaches at the total disposal for our project. All them have the level 1 of CSD, that is level enough for that guys. There are some social workers who will help us too, and they are volunteers from the university. We also have some of the best rugby players from Andalucía who will help us too with the knowledge of the game. For example, Miguel Reina and Manuel Moreno, who are 2 players from the first team of the Ciencias and also played with the national team in the sub-23 category, and they won the European Championship. Also Manuel Mazo, who is the first trainer of the Ciencias first team, and Paco González, who is the forward trainer. From the Cocos we have Gemma Sánchez and Irene, who are 2 of the best players of the team, and they also competed for the national team. What about the organization? Let's talk about the schedules of the activities. The trainings will take place on Mondays and Wednesdays from 5 to 6:30 and 6:30 to 8. Once a week, in principle on Fridays, we will celebrate an event where people can come to try for the first time, and with lunch for the boys and girls. Thanks to one of our sponsors, Buses San Cristobal, we are provided with 3 buses to pick up all the children for their neighborhoods. To talk about the promotion, we are going to pin up some posters about it at the school hall and corridors. We have contact with the IMD, and they will help us to spread it. Also with talks to the parents in the school, videos on the social media of the teams and university, like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, a lot of ways. Why we choose rugby? We choose rugby because it's very honorable. It's a very honorable sport. It teaches you a lot of good values, which helps you to be a better person. People think that rugby is a violent sport. It is if you practice it with violence. Our objective is teaching the kids how to respect the rival, the referee, and the public. I have been playing rugby for years, and I know very good the values and pros and cons of practicing it. And I can say that it's one of the best sports to teach kids in exclusion problems to respect. The clue is know how to do it, and I think with all the things which support us, I think we can do a very good social labor. We have to say special thanks to our sponsor, especially to El Ciencias a las Cocos, Buses San Cristobal for the transport, IND for the help to spread it, UPO for the installations, and Rugbeer for giving us the material for make it possible, balls, tees, t-shirt, shorts, etc. Okay, I hope you like the project, and I trust that this will be the beginning of something very special for Seville and their kids.